A null value in SQL represents an unknown or missing value. It is not the same as an empty string or zero. Key characteristics of null values. Unknown or missing. It indicates that the value is absent or not applicable. And not zero. A null value is different from a zero, which is a valid numeric value. And not an empty string. An empty string is a character value, while null represents the absence of any value. Can be inserted into any column. Null can be inserted into columns of any data type. Affects comparisons. Null values behave differently in comparisons than other values. You cannot use standard comparison operators like equals, comma, equals, or equals to compare values with null. Instead, use is_null and is_not_null operators. Examples of when to use null. When a value is not available or applicable, e.g., middle name, date of birth. When a value is unknown, e.g., customer's income. To represent missing data in a dataset. Handling null values. is_null and is_not_null. These operators are used to check for null values. A coalesce function replaces null values with a specified value. NVL function, similar to coalesce, but specific to Oracle databases. Outer joins, used to include rows where there is no match in related tables. Example: SQL. Create table customers. Customer ID int primary key. First name varchar, 50. Last name varchar, 50. Email varchar, 50. Insert into customers. Customer ID, first name, last name, email. Values: 1. John Doe, johndoe@example.com. 2. Jane Smith, null. In this example, the email for customer with ID 2 is null, indicating that the email address is unknown or not provided. Important considerations. Be careful when using aggregate functions like sum, avg, count, etc. with columns that contain null values, as they might produce unexpected results. Null values can impact indexing and performance. Consider using appropriate indexes and data types to optimize query performance. By understanding null values and how to handle them, you can effectively manage data integrity and perform accurate data analysis in your SQL databases.